Everybody, Bobby, Two Pops Breaks, Sunday the 12th of June. We are breaking Bomb Box Jerseys Plus. It is a one box break. We randomed up our 25 remaining box numbers. 14 is what we got. Random team sales for this on your left. We've already randomized teams, customers, alphabetized everyone. Did give them a chance to trade. No one's trading. No, did finally have a couple offers, but nothing was accepted. Pop of your seal. Hey guys, box is bulging, so we'll see if that's good or bad. Well, little of both, I guess. Well, guys, it's going to be the Washington spot, guys, with the Sammy Howell UNC jersey, folks. And I'm still saying that this kid could very well be their starting quarterback by the end of the season, folks. Also, obviously, going to be a very nice hit in our Detroit spot, guys. Going to be Mr. Barry Sanders. Going to be one of our first Barry Sanders. This one has TriStar certification on it. Also going to be Houston on the free spot, folks. So Houston going to take the freebie there. You know, guys, again, that has the factory fold on it. So my dog, like I said, if you do want me to open it, actually he went to bed though. So I don't think I'm going to open Barry. We will open, well, you relax. Fucking kid is having a spaz attack. JSA on the Sammy Howell. This is also one of, like, the wearable jerseys with the elastic around it, guys. Going to be Sammy Howell. So these are like the ones they wear, folks. Actually, a cool custom there for Washington. Dog gonna get. Wow, and Bengals gonna take the Sammy Howell. So this kid reminded me a lot of Lamar, man. He's a big QB, man, can run over people. Well, I am very sorry, everybody else, folks. Those are going to be our winners. Dog taking the big hit of the box. Bengals taking our secondary spot. And then Houston. Who the hell had Houston? And then Tom's getting the freebie. All right, so Barry goes to Dog. Sam goes to Bengals. That's going to wrap up that one, guys. Breakers.tv, YouTube, Facebook, and Twitch, 8 p.m. Central. Bob at Two Pops Breaks. Call out your keeps, folks. We'll see if we can squeak another one out here tonight. Going to be up to you, folks. Have a good night.